So we got our $800 Civic here with an Amazon lift. We're going to hope that this thing is going to get lifted up. If not, this might be our last video. All right, come here. So, this thing is really sketchy. Let's read off some of these instruction warning manuals. The lift surrounding area must be free from people or objects which could be a danger for lifting operations. That sounds good, right?
Yeah, that's good.
When you meet some problem of lift, you must turn it off and check it. After you find and solve the problem, then you can use the machine.
I am the machine.
When lift up or down, it is forbid that people stand under the lifting car.
Always read the safety instructions. When,
These makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
During lift up or down, it should avoid to impact the car.
Oh, very good, very good. Oh, me like it.
During up or down, foot should be out of lift device. Avoid to hurt the foot. That makes great sense. It does, actually, but like the spelling of that is kind of weird.
Lift only used by qualified staff, proper trained for using of machine. We are qualified staff.
Well, I mean, not only is this a Amazon lift / Temu, I'm sure you could find this exact thing on
It's
Temu.
definitely on Temu.
But to make it better, we installed this drunk as
Yes, I was plastered, dude.
and I hope those bolts hold.
There's only like probably 4 of those nuts are holding, but we won't talk about that. Here's a little close up of what we're looking at here.
This one's a little bent.
This one's just non-existent, dude.
I think that's the one that's actually not bolted.
Yes,
in.
that's the one that's not
Oh
bolted.
yeah, and not to mention, we drilled it in the ground once. It did not work. So we had to move it.
Well, it's because I was a big brain and told you guys that we needed to move it. But if we're all plastered, I am the smartest.
So what's your thoughts? Is this thing gonna be liftable?
No.
Other than the terrible warning labels and the instructions were very bad. You could not understand anything with the instructions, so we just had to go off of our drunk minds and make this thing work.
Plastered.
Totally blacked out.
Dude, I couldn't even tell where my feet were.
But other than that, the welds on the lift and everything with the lift is actually pretty good, I would say. Like, it's pretty good. So I think it should be able to lift it up.
Here we got weld number 1. Not bad, not terrible, you know. Got some more welds here, as you can see. Let's move up here. Okay. A little bit of splattering over there in the corner.
That's what I like to hear.
Okay, let's see here. Let's climb up in this thing. So all the safety locks are tack welded on, and then there's a booger weld right there. There's a random welded nut up there too, for some reason. Not even in use.
Don't mind this patch of work right here.
Oh yeah, you know that came from factory.
Not really. Liar.
Yeah, I know it didn't come from factory, but you do have to wire in your own cable.
You do. But after you go through all of that tomfoolery and get it set up and get it wired in, not to mention all of the weird voltage and amperage ratings on this motor, once you get it all hooked up, I think you should be good. Let's try it out. This is the moment of truth. Okay. Will it go or will it not? But I'm excited because I have not used this yet. And I really am curious to see if this is going to work. I hope this lifts it. So let's give it a shot. I'm going to first lift it up to the point and then go around and check if they're all good and set. And then finally lift it up in the air. This is scary. Oh, God. Whew.
That's got some clunks, dude.
She works. She clunky. Okay. I'm just gonna adjust these a little bit. Okay, here goes nothing. Ooh. She's up. Oh god. It's going, dude! I'm so excited. Is it going up even?
I think so. Yeah, that looks even, dude.
Holy crap.
Amazonian lift
Let's
works?
see if this is going to take off from this point.
That's lifting even.
It's lifting even?
It's lifting even. Oh my god.
Dude, that means we've done it right. She's puking a little bit, but it's fine.
What should we name her? Ooh. Let us know in the comments what we should name the $800 auction Civic.
Okay.
I think the plate is speaking to us right now. Choo!
Are you ready to send this all the way up?
Let's send her to the moon,
Should
bud.
we give her a shakedown test?
It's pretty high for a shakedown test, but if you want it, you can go ahead. She's stout.
Oh yeah, dude,
That's stout.
those drilled bolts in the concrete are doing its job.
The 6 total out of the 10.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Dude, this is so exciting. My first lift.
Yeah, after doing everything on the ground for over years.
I know, I've been doing everything on the ground for my whole life. Did that move?
It did a little bit, but that's because it's reaching its highest point.
Is that still straight?
It's because it's reaching its highest point, buddy.
What do you mean by that?
So it reached its highest point on that left side, now it has the highest point on the right side. Then it'll level back out.
Tell me if something goes wrong.
Holy shit, dude.
What?
I can't believe it lifts up that high. It leveled back out, though.
Dude, this is about as high as we really need it to be.
Yeah, it's because we're short.
And what? We got about what?
Yeah. It's at least a foot above me.
Oh, this is...
Wow.
Dude.
She greasy, dude. Let me put it on the... There we go. Look at this thing.
Oh, I'm underneath this thing. You're going into territory.
I got a spark plug wire down here. Look at that cat. That's worth money right there. Random hooky dookie O2 sensor wiring. This is what she looks like underneath, guys.
What do you think they drove over?
Something that also scraped the cat.
Damn.
Dude, now I get to see the exhaust.
Dude, we can actually do exhaust work now?
This is the exhaust.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
I've seen it.
It looks like it had a muffler at one point. Don't know what happened after that.
Oh, this is gonna make life so much better.
Yeah. CB boot's gone. Dude, this is gonna be so nice.
Yeah.
It's been a year since I've been on
So
a lift.
should we trust Amazon?
I think we can trust Amazon.
You think so?
I think we can trust Amazon. This has definitely fulfilled a lot of my expectations.
Yeah. For the price too?
No weird creaky sounds? And we're underneath it?
Oh wait, do we have the safety locks on, or how does it lift?
It automatically locks it. So if the hydraulics release it, that's why you have to pull these.
Okay.
So those are like, if it falls, it just...
Okay. So, honest review. How does it feel safety-wise underneath this thing? Give me your weather prognosis for the next 2 days.
Snowing.
Snowing?
Yeah.
Snowing Hondas?
32 degrees.
Oh.
Actually, you know what? Not snowing Hondas. Cloudy skies. There's going to be a little bit of sprinkling as you can see. But otherwise, sunshine here from here on out. You know.
The Civic is officially on the lift for the first time. For the first time for the Civic, and for the first time this lift being put to work. This is awesome.
Look at me, Mom. I can hold up the Honda Civic.
This is awesome. This is a really good addition to the channel.
Have you ever seen underneath of a Civic? Is this your first time?
Yes, it's my first time seeing underneath of a Civic, not on the ground or on jacks that are like 2 feet off.
Because now you can fully look at everything. Let's get your honest reaction here. What's the weather looking like for you here?
This is freaking awesome.
This is freaking
awesome. This is gonna be a really this is gonna be a really good addition to the channel, and just for our daily lives too. It's gonna make it amazing. I can't believe it. And honestly,
you look like a proud dad right now.
I am a very proud dad. And honestly, not so scared of this thing anymore. The lift, I mean.
Yeah.
It seems to do really good.
Yeah, let's just get a little reminder of what we're under. Honestly, it's worth the, what, $1,800?
Yeah, it was like $1,800 with delivery plus tax, so
$2,100.
Yeah.
$2,100, and you could have your own Amazonian 2-post lift. Not sponsored. This was an honest review.
Well, and then on top of it, now we're gonna have to see how long this thing actually lasts before it breaks.
If it helps, I genuinely thought the Honda Civic was gonna fall down. I wanted it to.
Yeah. This Honda Civic in general belongs in the junkyard at this point. I'm curious what it'd be like lifting a truck now with the power and its rating, but we'll find that out later. And, you know, after using it, we'll see how well it keeps performing at the end of the day. But yeah, so it looks like in the beginning we said that this may be our last video if this doesn't work, and it looks like we got plenty more videos to come. So
oh, definitely.
Yeah. This is awesome addition, so we'll just leave it off on that, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's lower this thing down.
Everyone's clear? Your feet are not going to be footed?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Ooh. It's working.
First lower. Okay, I don't know how you thought this one was okay.
Is it not?
You needed it more in the middle.
Oh, well.
But it's whatever.